Terrorism is the outcome of the lack of understanding and communication. And without the practice of non-violence, of compassion, and then you will have recourse to terrorism. You are tempted because your anger is too big, your frustration is too big. You have to express your suffering. And then you make other people suffer, especially the innocent people. We need to restore communication. If terrorism is there, if violence is there, it means that communication is not there. And the way to eliminate terrorism is to restore communication. People have recourse to terrorism when they feel that there is no other way to make their suffering understood. And therefore there must be a body that can listen. In the old time in Vietnam, you know that at the citadel, in the capital, there is one bell. And when you are a victim of, you feel that you are a victim of injustice, you have the right to climb to the bell tower and just invite the bell to sound. 1 round, 2 round, 3 round. And then someone will come and ask you, why? And you have the chance to tell the official about your suffering and your injustice. Now we need such a bell so that the bombs will not be used anymore. You have to train people in the art of deep listening and invite them into that body of listening. And this is my proposal. Creating a listening body to listen to the suffering, the injustice, the discrimination that are going on, because these things are going on. We have to welcome those who want to express their suffering, their injustice. We can only eliminate terrorism by the practice of restoring communication and listening deeply and realizing that we interact with each other. If the other side does not have peace and then our side, this side will not have peace, you have to learn the hard fact. We have to come together in order to discuss a strategy, because we share the same boat. If the boat capsizes, we all die. We have to see the true nature of interbeing. And if we are not calm enough, we don't look deeply enough, we cannot see that. We only see the other person, the other group as our enemy. The elimination of the other group is the only chance for us to survive. That is wrong. If you improve yourself, your understanding, your compassion, you will produce a change on the other side. And that is our practice. And dealing with terrorism in that way is the deepest practice.